Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this analysis video we would see where can Nifty and Bank Nifty make a move tomorrow and what must be your trading plan for tomorrow. Sorry friends, because of some technical glitches we were not able to post analysis video for today, but those who are following us consistently must have planned today's day well ahead and would be in good profits. So let's view Nifty Bank on daily time frame chart. So as we were discussing earlier that after this huge red candle, either Nifty Bank was expected to make a huge red candle or an inside candle and a sideways continuation, giving a downward breakdown, and almost similar things happen, but 17,100 levels for Nifty Bank stood out as a good support to it, and it bounced back up from these levels. So I'm expecting these levels of 17,100 to act as a strong support in coming days, as this level has been tested only once. So I would want to show you Nifty Bank on weekly time frame. You could see it has made a W pattern and given a small doji inside candle. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty is able to show some strength, then we could see some recovery in banking sector, as banking sector is currently trading at its 52-week low and it's heavily oversold sector. Let's look at Bank Nifty and crucial levels in Bank Nifty for tomorrow on 15-minute time frame. So again stating that these 3-4 days are crucial for Indian stock market, as they would decide the trend for coming week and for next month, as monthly expiry is couple of days ahead and you could possibly see a short covering in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So you can expect a upward rally in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So on the upper side, 17,650 levels would act as a strong resistance, and on lower side 17,350 would act as a strong support to Nifty Bank. And most likely tomorrow Nifty Bank is set to open gap up, so depending upon how much above of today's close Nifty Bank opens would be a determining factor for all the traders who trade in first 15 minutes. On upper side, Nifty Bank has a resistance at around 18,000, and if it breaks 18,000 with volume, then 18,200 doesn't seem to be that strong resistance to it, as it has been tested quite a few times, and if 18,000 is broken with volume, then most likely Bank Nifty would break this 18,200, take a support at these levels and continue its movement higher. So follow me on my Twitter handle to get exact analysis of Bank Nifty corresponding to the opening of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now let's have a look at Nifty chart. So Nifty on daily time frame looks stronger because of TCS, Reliance and pharma companies. One crucial part for tomorrow, if Nifty open gap ups, would be this gap which has been formed on daily time frame on 14th May and 13th May. So this gap would act as a strong resistance to it, and hence 9,270 level would be a level to watch out for. On lower side, Nifty has a strong support at 9,000. As you have seen today, it came below 9,000 and bounced back up from these levels. In worst case, 8,900 would be the level which Nifty might test on account of bad global cues. So let's view Nifty on 15-minute time frame. So for tomorrow, again 9,000 level is expected to act as support for Nifty, and 9,150 levels, 50 or 60 levels would act as a resistance, and a lot much more would depend upon where Nifty opens. So I'll update you on my Twitter handle at what levels to trade and what would be the possible direction of Nifty and Bank Nifty on my Twitter handle. But looking at the overall content and structure of the market, it seems that tomorrow Nifty would most likely open gap up and would sustain at higher levels. If it opens above 9100 levels and below 9160 levels, you might see a test of 9100 and then a bounce back. If this level fails to hold, then you could most probably see a rally on downside for a test of 9000 levels or today's close. So would update you according to global market situations and corresponding opening of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you friends, happy trading, happy learning.